Hi there! Welcome back to Santa Says. Today we are going to be reading this wonderful book right here. It's called Grumpy Bird, and it's by Jeremy Tankard. This edition is published by Scholastic. I think this might be something we can all relate to on some level. Do you ever wake up feeling just grumpy? Oh, look, and here he is. Do not disturb. Let's see what he does today. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm just walking today, said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing today? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird. What are you doing today? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. Oh, I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing today? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Oh, it looks like they bumped into each other. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped, and the other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Doesn't look grumpy anymore, does he? Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Would you eat a worm? They don't look too keen about eating a worm either. Wow. And there you go. That was Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Thank you so much for listening today, and I wish you the best day.